When this quarantine is over, oh, how happy I shall be. Once I'm at an orchid meeting, all my friends I'll look to see. I will listen to a lecture, learn of plants from far and wide, how to care and how to water, how to use insecticide. When this quarantine is over, orchid shows might start again. Growers coming from all over, bringing plants by truck and plane. I'll buy plants from all the vendors, browse each table once or twice, chat to strangers without worries, hug my friends, won't that be nice?